cashew basil dip. Cashews, I'm gonna put them into blender. Olive oil and water. Olive oil goes in, the water, and the lemon juice. I'm gonna use a pickle juice. I am going to blend it. You might need to tweak your liquids. We will use what actually makes it cheesy. It's nutritional yeast and onion powder. And we blend it again. A tiny bit of salt. Our missing ingredients, the basil. Be careful not to use the stems, so we're only going for the leaves. And blend it again. Okay. And what we end up having is a spread that is solid enough to keep its form in a bowl of your choosing and then garnished and spread on your bread. As I told you, you can also turn it into a dressing or more of a sauce with the amount of liquid you decide to use. You can also use any different nut or tweak the herbs. And that's it.